Tofu sheets are sliced and folded into a flower shape. Then they are braised with eggs and tasty spices. It will be sure to wow all your friends and family. It looks fancy, but it's really easy to make. It's hearty, savory, and super tasty. Let's get started! This is gan tofu or tofu sheets. It's a type of tofu that has been compressed into thin sheets. It is sold in all the Chinese supermarkets in the refrigerator section. Cut the tofu sheet in halves and fold it in half. Slice it crosswise without cutting all the way through, about a 1/4 inch apart. And fold it into a flower shape. Tie it up with a cooking twine. You can also replace it with blanched chives. Do the same with the rest. I grew up eating gan tofu since a little kid. I absolutely love it. Everyone in my family loves it, and I hope that you enjoy gan tofu as well. In a pot over low heat, place in the cinnamon stick, star anise, bay leaf, and dry red chili peppers. Stir into aromatic for about 2 minutes. Pour in the unsalted chicken stock. You can also replace it with water. Soy sauce and sugar. Whisk. Bring it to a simmer. Over low heat, add the flour-like tofu sheets. And boil eggs. Cover the lid and cook for 20 minutes. There are many different ways to eat tofu sheets. You can braise, stir fry, or even toss them in a salad. If you're interested in all these different recipes, comment below and let me know. You could serve immediately, or for a deeper flavor, continue to soak in the pot for another 2 hours. Cut out the cooking twine before serving. Enjoy! This is absolutely delicious. I can taste all the spices inside the tofu sheets. It's just so good, so delicious. I hope that you enjoyed today's episode also. If you like it, subscribe, follow, and like, and I will see you again soon. Bye bye!